In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a Mastercard gift card online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use the official website on your card, enter the required details correctly, and confirm activation safely and confidently. First, open the activation website printed directly on your card or card packaging. This is important. Only use the official URL shown on your card. Don't search for random sites, and don't click unfamiliar links. Manually type the exact address into your browser's address bar and look for a secure connection indicator like HTTPS in the padlock icon. This helps ensure you're on the real site. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and a stable internet connection. Once the site loads, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Start with the 16-digit card number on the front of the card. Type it carefully without spaces or dashes and double-check that you haven't mixed up similar characters like 0 and O. Next, enter the expiration date in the format requested, usually month and year from the front of the card. Then add the CVV or security code, which is the 3-digit number on the back. If there's a scratch-off panel, gently reveal it without damaging the numbers. Accuracy matters here. A single typo can cause an error. Before moving on, quickly review everything you entered to make sure it matches exactly what's on the card. When you're confident the details are correct, click the Activate or Submit button on the page. The wording may vary slightly by site, but it will be clearly labeled. Click once and give it a moment to process. Avoid refreshing the page or pressing the button repeatedly, as that can interrupt the request. From here, simply follow any on-screen instructions. Some sites may show a brief security check or a confirmation prompt. Just proceed as directed, then wait for the confirmation message. It may appear as activated, success, or a similar notice. Don't close the tab until you see that message. If the confirmation doesn't appear after a short wait, calmly review your entries and try again. Once you receive the confirmation, your card is ready to use. Keep the card in a safe place and remember that many merchants will process it like a credit transaction at checkout. That's it. Quick, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your Mastercard gift card.